You think your balance is fine. It isn't. You are just using your eyes to cheat. The moment you wake up in the dark to use the bathroom, your visual anchor is gone and your decayed inner ear takes over. That is when you fall. We are going to test your true biological balance right now. Stand next to a wall, but do not touch it. Lift 1 foot off the ground. You feel stable, right? Now, close your eyes. 3, 2, 1. If you had to grab the wall, drop your foot, or if you immediately started spinning in under 10 seconds, your vestibular system is failing. You are a massive fall risk the second the sun goes down. Do not ignore this. Click the link in my bio to download the free 7-day independence protocol to start rebuilding your ankle stability and inner ear balance today.